Hello everyone, welcome to ECJ Square T channel. Vanakkam Namaskar Swagatam. So today we are going to discuss about functions of digital logic. So with all the functions which are combined in order to form a digital logic. So what are the functions which are present? We are going to discuss in this video. So till now, if you didn't subscribe ECJ Square T channel, please do subscribe the channel and please share. If any comments are there, please mention that also. Okay. Okay, come on, let's start today's topic, functions of digital logic. So many operations can be performed by combining logic gates and flip-flops. So some of the more common operations are arithmetic operations, comparison, code conversion, encoding, decoding, multiplexing, demultiplexing, shifting, counting, storing. So all these operations, these operations, so these are many operations, so which are performed by combining the logic gates. So using logic gates and flip-flops, we will accomplish all these functions. That is arithmetic operation, comparison, like here we will be using comparators, and code conversions, because if we are if we have one application where that application means microcontroller understand only one language, one programming language, that time we need to convert our data, which is going to be so for data compatibility. So at that time we need to have some conversions like code conversions, this encoding and decoding, multiplexing, demultiplexing, shifting, counting, storing. You know about storing. In order to store the data or output which will be coming from the previous operations. Counting, for example, if we have a PC counter, so we need to save all those things. So shifting, about like a right shift is there, circular shift is there, so shift with carry, all those these are the functions. So these functions in this digital logic we are going to accomplish using logic gates and flip-flops. So now we will see about arithmetic operations. So the basic arithmetic operations are, so what actually what we will do when I say arithmetic operations, definitely we will get addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So these are the operations which we have learned in our mathematics in our childhood. So those the same operations are the here also it is present, that is arithmetic operation, that is what addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are going to accomplish this task using logic gates and flip-flops. Okay, you just remember it, because we will be using logic gates and um, flip-flops to accomplish all these operations and functions. So if you see this arithmetic operation, that is the operation of addition. Okay, addition, what we will be doing, so we will have so this addition can be done using a logic function called adder. Okay, so its function, the arithmetic operation of addition, is performed by digital logic circuit, that is we'll call it as adder. So this is a digital logic circuit. So this circuit is for addition. So what is that? Adder. So its function is to add two numbers, that is attendant and augment, they will call this as, and carry input ci, and the output we will get sum plus carry output. Okay, we'll get a sum and we'll get a carry. So it illustrates the addition of the binary equivalents. For example, if it is a binary adder, so we will give binary addition of two numbers, we will get binary sum and carry output. If this carry input is from the previous function, so from the previous operation, if we have any carry input, then definitely this will have the data. Okay, so this is about the adder. So the arithmetic operation of subtraction, so the arithmetic operation of subtraction can be done using a digital logic circuit called subtractor. Okay, their subtractor is present. This will take care of all those things. Okay, its function is to subtract, subhend, and minion they will call it as. So that is a b. Look, for example, we call this na 6 minus 4. So this should be a minimum one, minimum value. Okay, so the arithmetic operation of subtraction can be performed by a digital logic circuit called the subtractor, and its function is to subtract this a minus b. So this borrow input, so this is same like carry input. Borrow input is from previous operations. So we will get the difference, binary difference. For example, if we give binary input, definitely you will get a binary output, that is difference. So for example, 8 minus 3, here in this example 8 minus 3 is present, so difference it will show 5. Okay, so this one is borrow output. So if any carry is there, carry will be coming. So as here one is there as an input, here also it will be present. Okay, so this is about arithmetic operation of subtraction. Okay, so next we will see about multiplier. So multiplier, when I say multiplier, there are many digital logic function. Okay, so till now we have discussed about the addition and subtraction, that is adder and subtractor. Now we will see about so for example, if the subtraction, the second number is greater than the first number, then it will be a negative number. Then what will be the operation? So the subtraction is equivalent to addition of a negative number. So subtraction can be performed by using an adder. So for example, if a negative number is there, we can add it, right? So like that, we can perform that operation also. The arithmetic operation of multiplication can be performed by a digital logic circuit called the multiplier. So multiplication we will be doing by the multiplier. So we have multiplier. So this is a logic circuit for multiplier. So its function is to multiply, multiplicand, and multiplier. So that is A, B, and generate the product term P. Okay, we'll name this as product term P. So since multiplication is simply a series of additions with shift in the position of the partial products, it can be performed using an adder also. So not like it is multiplication is nothing but we are going to, it is a series of addition of numbers. So we can accomplish the multiplier with the adder circuit also, adder digital logic circuit also we can accomplish the things. Okay, so the next is the arithmetic operation of division can be performed using divider. So a digital logic circuit called divider. So division can also be performed by an adder itself. So since division involves a series of subtraction, comparison, and shifts, its function is to divide dividend, that is A, dividend, with a divisor B. Okay, divide. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Generate a quotient term Q. Not only quotient, it also generate remainder. Okay, so this is a block diagram of a divider. It illustrates the division of the binary equivalent. If we give a binary equivalent, we will definitely get a binary coefficient and remainder. Okay, this is about the arithmetic operation. So in the next video, we will see about encoding, decoding, multiplexing, so other functions which are present in digital logic in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, ECJ Square T channel, for the further notification of the videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.